Thinking of turning your 3D skills into a profitable business in Singapore? Let's build it, layer by layer. First, pick the right business structure: sole proprietorship, partnership, or the most popular private limited company for limited liability and credibility. We'll handle your ACRA registration end-to-end. Set up a CorPass, appoint a local director, open a corporate bank account, and get your accounting, payroll, and annual filing sorted. If your annual taxable turnover may exceed 1 million Singaporean dollars, plan for GST registration early. Most 3D printing services don't need special licenses, but comply with product safety, PDPA for client files, and IP agreements for designs. Choose a niche: prototyping, architectural models, dental guides, cosplay, or custom parts. Price by material, print time, post-processing, and CAD complexity. Offer design for printability to boost margins. Start with reliable FDM and resin printers. Calibrate often. Standardize SOPs. Add rapid quotes, lead times, and bulk rates on your website. Ready to launch with confidence? 3E Accounting Singapore can set up your company tax, GST, and compliance, so you can focus on printing profits.